Hi guys, I hope you have a good day today. And I just want to share my experience with you about my interface. Um, this is my interface, M Audio FIREWIRE 410, and I can't get it to work on my Mac, which is this version here. I can't get it to work on my Mac at first, so I went to a lot of sites and I bumped on this one. This works for me. Okay, so this works for me, and I just downloaded the file right here and install it, and it works perfectly fine. So I hope this one helps, and don't worry, I'll post the link on the description so you can just click it. Yeah, just follow the steps. It's so easy. So this is only for Mac OS. I don't think this one works for um, Windows. So yeah, that's it. God bless.